God bless me. This is not looking this corner.
Yeah.
Oh, John, this is different corner. This is not good idea. No, come on. Different pen, that's not good idea. Oh, no.
Всем привет от Сереги и Оксаны.
Из Алабамы.
Сегодня мы идем делать оценку работ в церкви нашего города Мобил. И вы посмотрите, как выглядит церковь и пастор, и как Сергей разъясняется по-английски.
Будем разъяснять.
Да. Так что я знаю, что многим очень нравится такой формат.
А мне все нравится.
Объясни подписчикам. Обратите внимание.
Здесь вот написано.
Парковка.
Резерв для пастора. Пастор.
Жена.
Вайф. Жена. Потом
Для гостя.
для гостя. Для какого-то
Нет, если это спикер, какой-нибудь другой
Так
священник.
я тебе и говорю, для
Вестминстер.
какого-то высокопоставленного.
Секретарь.
Секретарь. А остальные так, без надписи. Хрен вам, расходитесь по домам. You know, I fix right now this arch. Arch. This you see, and
Yeah.
painting this in. This not good idea.
You can paint.
Yeah,
You can
exactly.
fix that.
Yes, yeah. And painting this area. And painting this area. Only black stop corner. This corner stop, and this one corner
Yeah.
stop.
And see, you got a crack over
Yeah,
there.
exactly. I told you.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. And fixed and here this area and this area.
So,
And paint.
so you
This arch, this ceiling, and walls.
walls.
Yes.
And stop in a corner.
So what? This wall will be included? Yeah.
Yes, and walls.
Okay.
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. Stop this corner and this corner.
Right. Okay. Right.
That's what will be good. Yeah.
Yeah. This work. This you know that right now fixed this arch. Drywall. This is not. You see this
Yeah.
one. Everybody go watch and confront.
Right. Okay. Put that in there.
Yes, exactly, and this one. Second time changing. This one too much.
Yeah.
No, this is possible. It's not big deal.
Okay.
You see, when it's a big deal, we tell call a different company. It's not a big deal for him. Because sometimes I like it.
This different shape, only like 3 feet.
Yeah.
You see? This is everybody go watching. Oh, you see, Pastor, this is not good idea. 3 feet different span. No. Everybody go and sit down and watching this middle. God bless me. This is not looking this corner.
Yeah.
Oh, John, this is different corner. This is not good idea.
Yeah.
No, come on. This is
I know.
this is everybody go and God bless me.
God give me money.
Yeah, give me this money. А то different span, that's not good idea. Oh, no.
Это что, ты знаешь?
Да, это все из-за этой трещины.
Ага.
Здесь надо делать специальную расшивку.
I'm trying to convince him to explain it to you.
This one, every time use it only plaster. This is not good idea. This is walls very move. Crack. No, this is not good idea.
Yeah.
This is using special tape.
A special tape.
Yeah, first time cutting, maybe 1 inch. This one. Use a special plaster, special tape. Finish. And this one, every day, every month, change, use a plaster.
Yeah.
This one same. This one same. And this one same.
Yeah.
You see big scratch?
Yeah, I see.
No tape. No. Use a tape.
And the other area is in here. Up here, all of this. From here. And this.
I see. This one good. Only this arch.
Right.
Little
It's
bit.
under the arch.
Yeah.
And-
And it's okay. This one not big deal. It's not big. It's okay. It's easy. It's not big. Put more.
And right here. This section. I know. Yeah.
Very nice job. This is good design. You don't like it? It's okay. This is stucker. Oh, Billy.
Oh yeah.
I don't understand. This is not my house.
I know.
5 days exactly.
5 days at least.
This is drywall. Today it don't possible use it black. Only come back tomorrow next day and sanding. Use it second time drywall. You know black. This is long time.
Yeah.
2-3 times use it black. Wait.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
5 days.
5 days.
Yeah. This is not straight. You see? You see white, different color. This is not good idea. First time clean it up. Window, very good clean up. Second time special black. Caulk, special caulk for window. The next time only paint. Right now, you see, no.
You need caulking.
Caulking here. You see, this is black. Use it grinder. Use it black. You see, this is crack. And this is crack. I don't like it. This no. Don't like it. This job.
Yeah. It's been so. These doors hadn't been painted. I've been here 18 years. So they hadn't been painted in 18 years.
Okay.
You know?
Yes.
And so, just want an estimate. So I know.
So estimates, an estimate you need a railing,
Yes.
touch-up railing.
Right.
Touch up. This is
Repainting, yeah.
Repainting, exactly. You see, this one black. Sanding black. This is rotten. Sanding, rotten, sanding.
До новых встреч!
Мы желаем счастья вам, мы желаем счастья.